Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome again to Florida Kitchen. Thank you so much for accompanying me today. Today I'm going to be making a mega juice. Now I have my juicer here ready, right here, and my bowl ready for the juice to be extracted. I'm going to be using the same ingredients as the Australian man. His name is, I believe, Joe Cross. He did a documentary called Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead. So he had an autoimmune disease and he did it for 60 days, but he did it just fasting. Now the ingredients he used for, let's say, just one juice is 1 cucumber, 4 celery stalks, 2 green apples, 8 kale, the Tuscan cabbage leaves with stalks, 1 lemon, and I have so much lemon there, and 1 inch of piece of ginger. Now he adds extra on his juice. Now I'll be doing like a mega one because I share it with my father, and he loves the green juice. I have 1 green juice right there that I'm currently drinking, and I'm gonna be washing these, cutting them, and then extracting them, and I'll show you how. So it has so many benefits. At the end of the 60 days, he got healed from the autoimmune disease, and it's amazing. So this is a plant-based diet, and it's so delicious. At least I love it. I don't know if you guys are gonna like it, but I love the taste of it. So for me, it's nothing. So let me start washing those vegetables. All right, my beautiful fans, so I'm washing the kale right now. And kale actually has vitamin A at 206%, and it also has vitamin K at 684%, vitamin C at 134%, vitamin B6 at 9%. It has manganese, calcium, copper, potassium. It's so beneficial, and it has so many antioxidants. Okay, now that I'm washing the green apple very fast. It's a fruit that provides fiber, which is essential for hearts, guts, liver, hormone, and heart. So this is amazing. So I have my juicer ready. So here the juice comes out, and here the actual fiber comes out. They say that the actual stem of the kale is the best part. I'm not too 100% sure about this, but I believe all of it is amazing for you, for your digestion, for so many sicknesses, to protect your eyes, to protect you from certain cancers. So I'm going to be passing that, and if you notice, so for those that don't know how to use a juicer, but I'm pretty sure that everyone does, but just to demonstrate, we put the greens right here. It's best to go green, right? So let's put those little stems right here, and I'm gonna turn this on. Now it's gonna be making some noise, horrible noise, but just to give you a small demonstration, okay? And the juice is gonna be coming out from there. So let's turn this on. Right there, that's the juice coming out. Okay, so something different that probably others don't do is that I reuse that fiber and I put it back into the juicer. The reason is because I try to take advantage of everything. So I know how expensive this type of vegetables could be for many people. So that's why I take advantage of juicing it again. You might not get that much juice again from, especially from kale, but from other vegetables you can from that fiber. So I'll be using again this, okay? Okay, so now it's a celery stalks turn, okay? Now you have to remove those stems because they're together, and there's dirt here, so you need to scrub that off, okay? And celery is really, really popular right now. Celery juice. You see, there's that dirt, and I removed it. It has a high water content, so it's has less calories, and it makes you go to the bathroom, actually. Not trying to be gross, but it really, really cleanses you. All right, so it's amazing. So wash it thoroughly, okay, because that dirt is hidden inside those stems. Okay, I've been juicing now for quite a while now, and look at all that juice content. And I'm going with the celery, and I'm putting that through the juicer, okay? So I don't want to film too much of the extraction because I know that the noise will just bother you all. Oh you see how much juice I have there? Now I'm going with the cucumber. Actually, the cucumbers are a good source of fiber, particularly in the skin. They also provide potassium and magnesium. And they also recommend for reducing sodium and increasing potassium intake to help prevent high blood pressure, okay? So it's good for high blood pressure, and it's high water content. So if you want to look at this part on how I do this, you see there's a cucumber. So right there. And then I just push it through. You don't have to force it so much. Right there. You see that juice right there? Okay, now I reuse the fiber that's in there because I get a lot more juice, especially from those vegetables that have high water content. This is good if you want to take full advantage of your juice. So you see how much juice? Oh my gosh, and it's so delicious with ice. Okay, my beautiful friends, so you see I'm almost finished. Now I use a lot of ginger because ginger is so good for you, but for those people that are very sensitive to the taste of ginger, just use just one thumb, and you're good to go. However, I really like ginger because of the benefits. It alleviates nausea. It has powerful antioxidants, and for women that are pregnant, it's amazing. But also it has other powerful antioxidants, so that's the reason why I use it. So I'm almost done, and the wow, the lemon is just another powerful antioxidants. Okay, now you don't have to do this. However, I do remove the seeds. I just don't like the seeds on my juice. I don't like the feeling of it, and I really don't like it. However, you don't have to do this. This is just an extra step. If you want to go through the process faster, don't. Just put the whole thing. Okay, in my personal opinion, I like to cut the ginger. So I've cut the ginger a little bit to make it easier for my juicer. However, if you want to do it the other way, which is faster, however, it will make it faster, I believe, for my juicer to make it go through easier. Look at all that juice. Okay, my beautiful friends, I am done. It was quite easy. For me, it was. Okay, so I got a really good grip of this juicer. I'm going to be putting down the description on this specific juicer. However, you may find other juicers that are much more technological, I guess, because this I got a few years ago and it was pretty good. I mean, it's really useful and it has worked for me. And here's all that fiber which I reused again, okay? And it was quite easy. Now look at all that juice that I got. That's a lot. So I put some mice. I let it rest for a little bit so I could get that cold drink. And oh my gosh, for me, it's delicious. Wow. I mean, many people have gotten cured from autoimmune diseases, from headaches. I saw in the documentary on Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead, a woman who had headaches and she was cured from the headaches. They have a glow in their skin. It has actually helped people prevent diabetes or cure diabetes, lower your triglycerides. It's amazing. Please take full advantage of it. Oh guys, I'm so sorry I forgot to mention to you what I do with the all the juice that I have here. I like to put that in the refrigerator to have it cold throughout the day, and I put it in this type of little thermo, I guess is what you call it. And what I do is that I get a little funnel that you could buy at any store, and I just start putting that juice through that funnel, right, and keeping that in the refrigerator. Okay, because I know that this big bowl may just take up space. All right, guys, if you have any questions or comments, let me know, and see you again soon at Florida Kitchen. Bye-bye.